This video will be focusing on the unit details displayed in the information panel when a unit is selected. When the live page opens, all the units are displayed in the information panel, depending on any of the filter settings the user has set up. The information that is displayed in each unit details is determined by the user's options that have been set up in the Options section. Let's now look at the contents of the unit details. First up is the unit icon, which is used to represent the type of vehicle or asset being tracked. Each unit is represented by an icon. The color of the icon tells the user what the status of the unit is. A green color indicates that the unit is moving at a particular speed. Yellow indicates that the unit is currently idling. In other words, the engine is on but the unit is not moving. When it's gray, or preferably not color-coded, it means that the unit is stopped. That is, the unit is not moving and the engine is off. The blue color indicates that there is an active input or output, for example, internal battery low or external power removed statuses. And finally, the red color indicates that the panic button is active or the vehicle is immobilized. The main color indicators are also reflected by the status icon, which tells whether the unit is moving, idling, or stopped. Next to the status icon is the follow button, denoted by a pin icon. It allows you to make the map follow a particular unit. If the user clicks this button, the icon will turn yellow and the map will be centered on the selected unit. And each time the live page refreshes, the position of the unit will also be updated on the map while it remains centered. To deactivate the follow functionality, click on the follow button to disable it. Next up is the driver information that displays the name of the driver driving the vehicle, along with his phone number. The driver information is part of a feature called the Driver Feedback Program, which allows you to register the name and contact details of your driver and further communicate with them via SMS by simply clicking on the little phone icon, which stands for Driver SMS Messaging. This pops up a menu where you can send an instant message by typing into the message box and clicking Send to deliver your message as an SMS. Additionally, the driver SMSing feature also keeps tabs of all the messages you sent in the message history, including if the message has been delivered or not. The next set shows the location and update information of the unit. The last data received shows the time that the unit last sent data to the server, followed up by the current location based on the last data received from the unit, and finally the current odometer reading of the vehicle. The next section is called Today's Activity. This section gives a summary of all the activities performed by the unit today, in terms of total driving time, idling time, and stop time. There is also a stop clock icon called Time in Current Status, which counts how long any of the three status have been active for currently and sums up the total to their respective timers. This section also displays the total distance driven so far for the entire day and also when the unit started activity. The last item in this section is called the Activity Bar, that gives you an overview of all the activities performed so far for the day by the unit. Selecting an active unit displays all the trips it has performed currently for the day, from the first trip at the bottom to the latest or current trip at the top. The next tutorial video will focus on unit tracking. Bye for now.